Objectified, Book 1. Warning: Objectified will contain the following content: body horror, gore, graphic violence, parasites, bugs and skin, permanent death, foul language, sexual humor, abuse, neglect, characters experiencing transphobia, references to suicide, assisted suicide, animal death, trypophobia, holes in skin, drug abuse, psychological horror, and cannibalism. Episode 1, Emergency Alert. Yeah, so, it's getting late. If you want, we can go to my place. I thought you'd never ask. Oh, I hate this. Forget the news story, run! Is that a fire?
I'm sorry about that. We're switching to helicopter view. There are ongoing reports of violent assault, suspect rioting, mutant objects.
Was monster objects not rude enough for them? Oh, yes, right? If they look scary, it's just because they blew in from outer ring. Yeah. So, Spool, do you want to get out of here? Huh? Oh, sure. Whoa! Did you see what that was? Citrus, was it? Sorry, be quiet, listen.